Hello, good morning traders. It's Wednesday the 26th of August. This is Trade Your Way and we're looking at the Euro New Zealand. We put this trade on last night as we headed into the US close, so it's probably about 15 minutes to the close. But we're looking at this, watching it play out on the weekly. Last week we had our first bearish candle, which was quite significant, so we felt that it needed to sell off and drop back down, but of course just wanted to take our time because it was a little bit slow. Perfect retest of previous structure. You know, if we are to look at how price reacts at a certain level, well, you know, there you can clearly see absolutely, it's perfect, really. It doesn't get any better than that. So huge range, previous structure, testing over a number of weeks, 6 weeks, so it creates a really good area of interest, a resistance area, a supply zone. We've gone up and we've tested that area again, but not only is it a supply area, supply zone, a resistance area, which you can see previous structure, it's also the 38.2, the first major fib. Now we're talking about a weekly chart, so a 38.2 on a weekly time frame is powerful, because it's the higher the time frame, the more powerful the support and resistance. That just goes without saying, isn't it? It's just common sense. So we were watching this and we're saying, okay, this is looking bearish and we're going to start shorting it, and that's what we did. So this is how we had set up, where price went up, didn't quite get there last week, but then we had this this sudden burst of pump of volume, went up, tapped the 38.2 at around 182.20, just went, just touched it, went over it by about 3 pips, and then we had on I think it was Friday, we just had our first sort of confirmation, if you like, a sell-off. So change in sentiment, so we've got some bearish candles, and then we had our first down day, so sold off, retraced 76.4% of that range, and then we had a couple of days where, Sunday into Monday, where price was just starting to just retrace up slowly for a retest, a retest of the highs before seeing it drop down, and that's where we're at the moment. And so you can see it on a daily here that we've had, the move down, retrace up. That's what our pro charts are saying. We're potentially looking at a drop down to around 179.50, 55. So our target is 179.70. So we're not far off that at the moment. Just playing it safe, really, because of lack of volume, summer markets, and all the rest of it. So let's just pull this in and show you where we're heading at the moment. So we are getting down there. You could see that previous structure came down to the 76.4. so if I just pull this over and just show you this, so this is a trade that's running at the moment, and it's going really, really well. So I thought we'd do an update now, just because it's playing out, and make sure that you can move your stop. And we're going to adjust our stop now on this, and we're going, well, it's probably going to go and hit target, which is good. It's dropping really hard, so it's all good, really. This is going to be our first T2 decent trade of the week. Wednesday being hit, put on Tuesday night into Wednesday. So yeah, be sure to take some profit or trail the stop loss, or if you want to leave something on as a runner, maybe get it down to 179.50, as we just talked about. There's an EMA there, 21 EMA. If it was to break that, we did see some huge volume, then we'd be looking for 17875 as a 127 extension. Hope that helps, and hope you guys made some money on that move. I think we're looking at a 1 to 3 ratio, so risking 2% to make 6% on this. So going really well. So probably by the time I finish on this, probably will have made just shy of 6%.